already doubled up on pretty much everything, I think.
Okay.
I mean, like how high of a priority, like we probably could stuff it in somewhere, but.
Yeah, if it was a really high priority, we could make something work, but.
That's still the dive that we have the floaty thing on the forward box.
Go wide.
Yeah, they've opened that box
It's
and
gone
put
already.
one of the boxes has 2 things in it, and the other one still has that anemone in it.
Okay.
Alexis, do you want to try and shove it somewhere, or is it okay to move on?
I'd like to shove it somewhere. Sorry, this one might be a new
Snap hold
species.
position.
Okay.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Can we try and get this guy, please?
Okay,
Yeah.
the Argus
Albert?
is pretty laid
Yeah,
back.
you're
so
gonna
I
have
wanna
to move back, Albert.
We're gonna move 40 meters.
Just wait a minute before you sit down, Gabby. You might
Yeah.
get called away there.
Totally.
Bridge nav. Can we move 40 meters at 195 degrees bearing, please?
Alexis, what makes you think this might be a new species? Or Sam or anyone?
So it looks like a member of the family Paragorgidae, but we don't really see the white morphs very often. They're generally pink. So it's either an interesting type of Paragorgia, the genus, or it's a genus called Cibibagorgia that we don't see very often.
Well, that sounds like it deserves more exploration.
Sample time.
So where's the best place
Okay,
to?
so in one of the small starboard bio boxes, we have a rock. We can combine it with that, but it's going to have to be a small piece.
Okay, let's do that.
I think that's probably the best option.
Can I give you a reset?
Gabby, when you're stable, can we do a zoom on it to give them a better, closer look?
I'm going to set down,
Okay.
and then we'll be able to get as much zooms as possible.
Okay. Thanks very much.
It's taking a while for the ship to step back because we were like with all the inertia and everything.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's okay. It's taken me a while to set down, too.
We have some viewers asking about these kind of red organisms we're seeing. These are mushroom corals that we've actually been seeing a lot of them on this dive. So sometimes you see the polyps out kind of extended, and then sometimes when they're retracted in, they look like that little ball you can see on the screen right now. Both of those are the mushroom corals.
Am I feeling Argus, or am I just driving badly? Okay. I'll just chill out for a second. Yeah. You give me a reset?
Yeah, I gave it to you.
Awesome, that looks great.
Sam, can I ask maybe a less informed question?
Yeah.
What is a polyp?
So a polyp is one of these things that you see on the coral with tentacles. And so one of these corals that we're looking at is a colony of these polyps, and they all have connected tissue between them as well.
Can you go wide?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. I know. Thanks.
Oh, is it raining out there?
Yeah, it's raining.
Oh, how
Maybe
exciting.
how it will be? Wouldn't it be better if you turn around and? I think it will be better if you just turn around and approach it that way. No, I mean like, do you see from that rock, for instance? So, essentially, because you'll be like next to Argus, like, you know what I mean? Oops, sorry. Yeah, now the ship is in the right place. There must be a current because Argus has been like off the stern of the ship. Yeah, current in the back sometimes is not good. Does it? Ah.
You want some zooms here?
Yes, please.
Good to go?
Yep.
Okay.
Wow, it looks so feathery. A lot of polyps on there.
Maybe, there you go. Much better.
There's
now.
like some tiny little orange creatures on there. Associates, exactly.
Subsamples.
Okay.
More work
You
for
guys got what
Sarah
you need?
and her team.
Yeah, it would be great to get one of these branches that has the associates, but if you can't grab it, that's fine too.
Okay.
So we're
Go
going to
wide.
have to put it in one of the small bio boxes with a rock. There's going to be a rock already in there with it. So it's going to need to be a size I can fit in there too.
So we cannot take it all?
Nope.
Oh my god. Always cutting our wings.
That's harsh.
Mike, I don't think we're as settled as I thought we were. Do you want me to take another look? Okay.
Is that all right for you, Mike?
Orange Associates. Which actually, like, could be the name of a band.
It could, yeah.
Have you ever thought about starting a band, Gabby?
No, I'm super untalented. Until this moment, no.
So you
Sometimes
have
it's
not
all
thought
about
it,
the
or
band name.
you have not thought it, or you've thought it and decided not to do it because you are not talented?
Maybe a little from column A, a little from column B. I'm
Oh, wow.
much better. Go wide.
It's gonna go in the starboard bio box, and in one of the small ones, it's the third back from the front.
Yeah, that was really brittle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do some camera adjusting for you here. Okay. You ready for starboard?
It's gonna go in the third back from the front.
Okay.
C.
Sample tray out. No floaties in here, right?
Not that I know of. Not from the descriptions.
Nice. It's in. You ready for normal?
8-6.
Oh my god, I'm way off.
Great. And while we're parked, could we do a zoom on that yellow one to the right, please?
Roger. Go for zoom video.
Yeah, 1287.
Oh, you still got some. Go wide.
So now that this fall, like,
Yeah.
do you think it has more chances to survive if we just cut it
Yep.
and try to, like...
Okay, ready for starboard? Sample tray coming out. There you go. Yep.
It's so bright, this camera, that
Ready
it's
for
very
normal
tough
view?
to see things. Okay, closed.
Okay. Do you guys want to try that zoom on the yellow one again?
Yes, please.
Okay, go for zoom video. Do you guys have what you need?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Coming out.
Thanks.
Yep.
This is a nice view. It's got a fair amount of corals right here. You can see.
Is it a good place for another Niskin then?
Hmm.
I could have a shot at redemption.
Yeah.
Yay.
Let's just do it. Yeah. We always save it, and then I feel like we haven't even been firing them all on most dives, so.
We have.
Have we?
Yeah, absolutely. That would be lovely. So we're gonna go for Niskin 9? Is that what we're thinking?
Yeah, if you want to go for 9, that'd be great.
Do you want to be up off the ground, or do you want to just sit right here?
I think here's pretty good.
Yeah, I think here's great.
Okay. We'll do that.
Do we have like a distance we keep in mind when we see these kind of like diverse areas of corals of how far you would want to be from taking a Niskin?
So that's kind of one goal of the original or start of this project, is to see how close we have to be and how. So what we're collecting with the Niskins is environmental DNA or eDNA, and I don't think we have a good sense of how long it stays viable in the water column and how close we have to be.
Gotcha.
Are we
So we're kind
retracted?
of just building the initial data set of
I am.
of what these collections should look like.
Nice.
We're gonna get 10 this time too.
Yeah. I think you
Got it.
already got it, right?
Nice.
87, I guess.
8-7, yep.
Now you cannot unhave it.
I can't unhave it. Yep. Good.
Okay, so next thing is start moving again.
Yep.
While you finish this thing, do you want to start moving, or do you want to get in a better position and then start the step?
Where's Argus facing? That way.
Argus is 90 degrees off to start.
You
to
can call in the move.
Yeah.
But we got to get reconfigured here, Gabby. Everybody's
Bridge
facing the
nav.
wrong way.
Yep.
Can we step
Roger.
at 15 degrees bearing, please? Thank you. Yeah, putting the ship move in before you start is a good idea.
Yeah, yeah.
Because you're already in good position now.
Yeah.
And what is recorded as like telemetry or things from the ROVs? Like, is the joint gain and all these things also recorded, or only position or?
I don't think we're logging telemetry. We could, but like all these things, I don't think we do that. Like we can log a lot of instrument stuff, right? We can record the sonars, we can log the temperature probe.
But we are not doing it.
Unless it's requested.
Well, the temperature probe, it's probably...
Could you zoom on this yellow one, please?
Which one?
To the left or right, doesn't matter.
The yellow one?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's see what I can do here.
Give me a quick one.
Go ahead, video. Yeah, I'm pretty stretched out. I can work in closer if you want.
No, that's okay. We'll just do the best we can do on the way by. Nick, is that focused?
Yeah, it goes in and out of focus whenever we move, so I'm just trying to monitor it.
Okay, that's good. Thanks.
Lighting also changes the focus a bit.
All right, full wide.
What's that?
Zoom in there. What are you after, Albert?
I was looking at there's kind of a purple one down there, no?
Yeah, there was
Down to the right?
corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, come wide.
Those are so pretty. The like bright purple ones. Assuming that's the same kind we've
Kind
seen.
of
I
a
guess I
purple
don't
one.
know.
It's kind of under us now, I think.
Yeah, I think it's under us.
Probably Victor Gorge, yeah.
Where did it go?
Or maybe it's that one and we thought it was...
No, there it is.
There it is.
Hey, zoom in there.
Bridge nav. Step again, please. That's so nice.
Mm-hmm. Such a beautiful color.
Sorry, I'll get that back. Yep.
That's good, thanks.
All right, full wide, please. Lots of current picks up here. There's no surprise, right? So just get scooped around in it.
Albert, how much farther is it to that end waypoint?
The end, which is not the end,
You're right.
700 meters.
Okay.
750.
So we're not going to do that.
Do you want to bet?
Well, I mean, on this watch.
Probably not.
Is that all like coral rubble down there? I guess we kind of passed it, but some of the, yeah.
Yep.
Zoom
Yeah.
in there, video. Okay, go wide.
Another step. Bridge nav.
Yes.
Step again, please.
We got to zoom on that bright white colony below the lasers. Looks like it might be.
Around here.
Yeah.
Another one of the one we sampled.
Yeah, maybe. But if it is something new, having some more imaging will help.
Hey, go ahead, video.
Mike, I don't want to come down too much.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll wait for you here. Just so we're moving down slope a little bit.
Yeah,
now.
I gotcha. I got a little bit to work with, though.
So do you think it's the same type of coral that we sampled?
Yeah, looks like it, but that's great, thanks.
Looks like there's one of those
Okay,
like
full
green
wide,
and
please.
blue corals we were seeing the other night. Maybe I'm wrong. It's the coloring, but just,
Where?
just to the right there. It's like those ones that
Yeah,
Oh,
I
on
see.
the
have the
ground.
different coloration.
Just below the lasers now.
Yeah, can we get a zoom
Oh,
on
yeah.
that?
I'll
Or are
get
we
in
going to
there, yeah.
have to move?
There's a lot of coral right here.
Zoom in.
Yeah, it definitely looks like that one, the colored one.
Yeah, it's got kind of like the blue on the
Yeah.
tips of it.
Yeah, blue, yellow, plexaurid.
Yeah, those are so cool.
But those ones were more like stuffed. The ones that we saw the other day
We're more stuffed?
were more, well, stuffed, like more,
Like dense, you mean?
yeah.
Like
Oh.
the polyps and stuff?
Okay, full wide.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of them were bigger colonies too.
I like the word stuffed too, though.
Albert, can you center up? Yeah, beautiful.
You want another step?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bridge nav. Can we step again,
It's
please?
just gonna be downhill
you.
for a few meters
Yeah.
here.
I'm gonna give you a reset. Is it okay?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, give me a few meters if you, whatever you can give me, Gabby.
Sure.
Zoom in there. Okay, full wide.
These look more like the ones we sampled, no?
Isn't that a different one, Sam?
Is it?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Ah.
Definitely.
That one had, the one had like fluffy bits on it.
Well, I think the polyps on this were retracted, but it
Oh,
definitely looked
okay.
like more of a robust skeleton.
Oh, that's a big something.
Iridogorgia.
Oh, there it is. We haven't seen many of those, or any of those on
It's
our
our,
watch.
yeah, first one. Can't have a watch without Iridogorgia.
I know. I love them. They're so cool. So swirly.
Kill the lasers for a minute, Gabby. All right, zoom in there, video. Yeah, these are neat.
It's a pretty big squat lobster hanging out up there.
Do you think squat lobsters get seasick when they are on things moving? I don't have my mic.
Wow, that's a really nice shot of this coral.
Another step.
Yeah.
Bridge nav. Step again, please. Thank you.
Do you guys want to go tighter, or are you okay with that?
I think that was great.
All right, go wide. Lasers.
Roger.
Lasers. there's a lot of current pouring over this feature. We should have stayed on top.
Got someone writing in asking if we're actually live right now, and we are. They want to know if they're watching a video or if this is an actual live stream. So I feel like I have to prove it. It is a live stream.
Live.
We can hold up today's newspaper and her
I
confess.
know. If only we had that.
All right, here's the slope again. Good. More fish.
Actually,
Let's
I
get
can
in.
take the studio camera and
Zoom in there,
swivel
video.
around. We can all wave at people.
Oh, yeah. Show everyone on the
Video,
ship.
zoom.
Sorry.
Ooh, he's drifting away fast.
Cruising.
Shake it off, buddy. Shake it off. You got it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's so sad.
All right, full
Are
wide.
you? Do you want to settle things or do you want to keep stepping? We can go down to 20 meters.
Yeah, we'll go down to 20 meters when we start going up.
Hey.
But yeah,
Sam,
Bridge
Sarah,
nav,
wave to the
step
camera.
please.
yeah, get a bit closer because I think if you stop
Yeah.
too early, then it just lays back again.
Sam
right?
and Sarah, wave to the camera.
Yeah.
Do they know where the camera is?
Up above
I
the
can't hear
ceiling.
you. Are you saying something?
Wave to the camera.
Oh,
I think he's broadcasting you
are you
live.
broadcasting?
Yeah, there you go.
Proof, further proof.
Or just a clever ruse.
That's true.
Really well planned. We just keep that in the files.
We just assume someone's asking that every couple hours.
Okay, front row. Everybody give the camera a wave.
Wave if it's
Do they know
today.
where the camera is? Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's kind of a cool wraparound shot.
Zoom in there, please, video.
I was just thinking we haven't given some sponges love in a while. It's nice to get a zoom in.
Okay, full wide.
Ooh, it's still raining pretty decent outside. Look at the Camp 11.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it's terrible. I know.
Do you want another 40 meters, or do you want to go back to 20? I think 40 is
You
good.
can do one more or two more 40s or something like that. Yeah,
Bridge nav?
You know, when we get there.
Step, please.
What's that going by over there?
Yeah, what's floating by?
Back here.
The fish? Looks like it.
Thank you.
Is it
Or
not-
an
it's
octopus.
No, it's a fish. What is it?
It's a rock. It's
I think it's a. I
It's
think
a
it's a
That
fish.
is not a rock.
a flying
It's a rock.
Very small rock.
Where are you? Oh, it's a no eyes fish.
Has no eyes.
Maybe.
It's just that you're not looking
I think
at
it's
his
because we
head.
can't see its
That's
face.
his tail.
Well, we're trying to.
Oh, no eyes on the
Really
tail.
not
I
cooperating.
should know better by now because every time I sass somebody, I like get what's coming to me. Every single time.
Landing.
He does not want us to see his face.
That would be pretty novel if we saw a fish with eyes on its tail, though.
That would be exciting.
I'm super stoked that we might have seen a fish that hadn't been
Ah,
imaged
it's just
before.
killing me.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah,
cool.
that's cool.
Come on, you.
I'm gonna run out of leash soon. I'm
know.
coming down, but I can't keep up. Oh, look, now he's coming up. What do you know?
There's a lot of current down here.
He does not want to look you in the eye.
Can he?
Potentially because he has no eyes. We don't know.
Potentially.
Blinded by the light. He has some pretty powerful
Alright,
LEDs on.
Out of scope here.
Yeah.
And it's going to take me a while to get back up this hill. That was like what you don't do diving or boating.
You're like,
Like,
oh, there's a fish. I want to go see
you
it.
like leave with the currents. Wow, look how far we got. Uh-oh.
Now I'm tired and out of
Oh.
air.
Oh, we can't go up the hill. Great. Just doing about 3 knots taking after the fish. Yeah,
wanna hold?
we got to check. We got every reason to stop the ship after this move now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good place to check ourselves too.
Yeah. Ship's now at the end of the movement.
Okay. See if Argus comes back at all.
So after this we will step 20 meters, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bridge is nav. Next steps will be at 20 meters, so you can get it ready. Thank you. Oops, sorry.
Strong current.
Yeah, going kind of east, no?
Yeah. Out of the lake, like northwest.
Yeah, I don't know if Argus will actually come closer
No,
to the
I
ship.
don't know if it will either. It doesn't look like it.
Chrysogorgia.
Looking very frondy.
Or is that the Iridogorgia?
Iridogorgia, right? Isn't that the twirly ones?
Muted. Yes, Iridogorgia.
Yeah, Argus is not coming closer to the ship.
No, it's okay for now anyway.
20
Oh,
meters?
then this flattens out here. Hold on a minute. Just want to see what it looks like on this scan. Yeah, do 20 meters.
Bridge is nav. Can we step, please? Thank you.
A little small Victorgorgia.
Let's get a quick zoom there, video.
And one of those encrusting sponges.
Yeah, that's pretty sponge. That's a nice color.
That's right, over here.
A crinoid.
All right, full wide, please.
Ooh, it's really being blown.
Yeah,
in
is that all
current.
from the
Look at
current? So shaky.
Drumming.
it.
Step.
Yeah.
Bridge nav. Step again, please.
Urchin. Oh, slime star?
I-
Urchin.
I don't know.
Urchin.
Echinoderm.
Slime.
Yeah.
Zoom in.
It looks kind of
Hedgehog.
Urchin.
It's a hedgehog.
Hedgehog. It's a hedgehog.
Oh, yes.
It's an urchin.
Yeah.
A sea hedgehog.
Sea hedgehog.
Sea hedgehog.
Yeah, I can really see the current in the spines there too.
Okay, full wide.
Shaking.
We are down
it's
to
still
500
raining.
meters till the end.
Yeah, we're going snail's pace all of a
Yeah.
sudden.
You
Yeah,
say
let's do
500,
this.
Albert?
500 from the expected dive end, but we will extend it to the summit.
Yep. So how far is it to that little summit plateau from here?
Right here?
No, the one past the endpoint. The
Why?
big plateau past the endpoint.
That?
Yeah.
That's another 500 meters. So it's 1,000 meters approx.
Okay.
500 for
Yeah.
us. 500 for the next watch.
Yeah.
And
We
off bottom.
doubled up in a small
Alright.
box.
Current's not so bad here. Just changes and just like you just go through this
The
invisible
background
barrier.
skin.
And your rock.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, well, you gotta try and think about other things too. Yeah. Just taking the gauges every 3 minutes.
At the end waypoint.
This doesn't take long enough. I'm gonna have to do this 45 times.
Yeah, I think it's gonna take a long time to get, because it sounds like we've hit some current coming up the slope too.
Yeah.
Oh, are we?
Yeah, it's still strong. It just slacked off for a minute. But now it's
It's really strong when there's no brittle stars hanging on to anything anymore, but it's semi-strong when they're like hanging on by like 2 legs and occasionally
yeah.
really cute. It's like, woo.
Hey, zoom in video.
That's another one of these fishes that have almost no eyes.
That's right.
They're always looking away. Their eyes are on their nose.
Yeah, I think so. Or that's, I don't know. I recognize them by the bump on his head, like the shape they have.
December is the plan.
Is that the fish that that guy
Okay,
was
full
referring
wide, please.
to? Ben? Another step.
Yep.
Bridge snaff. Step again, please.
Man, I hate to do this. That doesn't work.
Most of the rocks here look to be erratic that we could sample. Like they look like they've just slid down. Doesn't look like many of them are local.
What kind of rock can we sample?
Loose ones.
You mean next watch can sample?
What?
Well, loose
They
ones
said-
unless we use the crowbar.
Yeah, yeah.
I
now
will
is your moment.
Happily use the crowbar.
No, guys, we have a plan. We have to reach the end point.
Albert says we have a plan.
Plan.
The
Don't
end is
forget the
getting
plan.
further and further away.
Only because I really have to
factors
pee.
are killing us.
I
here right
know, me too. I've been sitting back here.
Yeah, because I guess Dwight wants the rock to be as shallow as possible, no?
Let's just move the endpoint to the
now. Ooh.
bullseye. And then we can say we got it to the end.
Changing
What kind
the
of
plan.
That's a good
We're
end.
moving okay. Now it's like eased up again.
Yeah, presumably if there's a rock on top of this knoll, it won't have been transported there, and it's
See one golden rock on top, shining,
waiting for
waiting
us.
for you.
Just waiting to be pried off.
Can we see it in the sonar yet?
Another step.
blinking at
Yep.
us.
Bridge snaff. Step again, please.
And it'll have a new species of
Yeah.
corals attached to it.
Yeah. And a shark sitting right next to it.
With an octopus like
And the
playing
plane.
like this on the
And the
shark.
plane.
Gotta get to the bullseye.
Zoom in, please. Interesting.
Sponge.
Is this the first time we've seen brittle stars like this on a live looking sponge? I don't know, it might be like recently
It looks
deceased.
pretty alive because of the color, right? It's like that bluish.
Yeah.
They're like so stuck on there.
Yeah, it's true.
I don't know.
Maybe that's
Different
just how it
kind.
is.
Huh.
Oh yeah, because it looks like it has the long bits coming off of it that you had been seeing before, Sam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, full wide, please.
The textured threads,
Fronds, if you will.
bronze.
The fronds.
Another hedgehog.
Yeah, you got. It's not a short amount of time. You're gonna have to think about something else.
I bet, like, if she was driving, she wouldn't think of that.
Unless she wants to get rocks. Because they cost 10 minutes.
New step.
Yes.
Bridge
yes,
nav.
please.
Step again, please.